Hello guys, my name is Nick and today I'm going to show you how to change download location in Arc browser. So it's very easy, let's get started. Firstly, let's open Arc browser. So in the top left corner you can see the Arc browser icon, click on it. And now you can see the menu where you need to select settings. Right here, just click on it. On this page, notice the profiles section. Right under profiles, you can see a list with all the profiles. So choose yours that is used for your space and click on it. In my case, the profile is called default. Okay, click. Well, on the next page, you can see the item saved downloads to right here. And to change the path to save files, click here and you'll see other. Click on it. Okay. Now let's choose a new path, for example, desktop or documents or another folder. So let's select desktop and click select folder. Okay, done. Now let's make sure everything works. Close it. For example, let's try downloading 7-zip, for example. 7-zip. Type it. And let's download it. Okay, click here. And as you can see, the file downloaded to the desktop. Everything is working. So guys, if this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like. Thank you.